Welcome to this ZENworks video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how to secure your Windows devices using location assignments and security policies in Endpoint Security. This will include creating a location assignment policy, and two Wi-Fi policies, and assigning them to a managed device. We will also set the security override password and briefly introduce the other Windows security policy options in ZENworks. We've previously activated Endpoint Security to enable the quick links that are provided in the Secure Windows Devices section. To get started, we'll set the security override password. When you click the link for setting the security override password, it takes you to the ZENworks agent configuration page. From here, you can enable the security override password for the ZENworks agent. Among other administrator functions, this password gives you policy override capability of non-encryption based security policies when they are enabled on a ZENworks agent device in the zone. You can view the help for this page to see all the options that this password gives you for both endpoint security and full disk encryption agents. The other quick link options in the Secure Windows Devices section provide options for creating and assigning 8 different security policies. Each of these 8 security policies can be a global policy, meaning that it is applied to a device regardless of its network location. However, one of the powerful features of security policies is that they can be location-based rather than global. The quick link options let you define network locations and assign security policies and devices to them. If a device's network environment matches one of the predefined network locations assigned to it, that location's security policies are applied to the device. Let's start by clicking the Create Locations link to create an office location that we can use with the security policies we'll create. From this page, we click New in the Locations panel and run through the steps in the wizard, which can include proxy configurations, download and upload rates, and enabling audit data. Here, we'll add a location defined as the office location. To finish the wizard, we need to add one or more network services to detect the device location. We'll make it simple by adding the network gateway that would be assigned to any device if it is in the office location. As you can see, there are many network services that you could use to define the office location's network environment. Because it is possible to have many defined locations and you might not want all of those locations available on each device, you must use the location assignment policy to assign security locations to devices. To create our location assignment policy, we return to the Secure Devices Getting Started page and select Create Location Assignment Policy. We'll add the office location that we just created. The unknown location is included by default. The unknown location is assigned to the device whenever its network environment does not match any of the predefined locations. If we want to enforce a security policy based on a change in the device location, we likely will not want a user to change the location manually, so we disable this for both locations. When we finish creating the policy, we can assign it to devices or users or both. We also could have assigned the policy from the device and user assignment links in the Getting Started page. Now that we have defined locations and assigned them to our devices, we can create location-based policies. For this demonstration, we'll have 2 Wi-Fi policies, one for the office location and one for the unknown location. The office location will restrict Wi-Fi access to the corporate wireless access point only, so no wireless networks other than the approved corporate network can be accessed while in the office. The unknown location will allow access to all wireless networks. To provide greater security, we could also assign a VPN enforcement policy in the unknown location to force a VPN connection. We'll start by creating the Office Wi-Fi policy, so we clicked the Create Policy link under the Wi-Fi heading. The first 3 steps are pre-selected, So we advance to step 4 to name the policy. Here, we want the location-based policy, and we'll add the previously created office location to this Wi-Fi policy. For better security, we'll disable ad hoc connections and select WPA2 for the strongest security. We'll then add our corporate Wi-Fi access point. As we move to the summary page, we'll leave the sandbox option selected and select Define Additional Properties so we can assign the policy to our devices and complete the policy. We've previously created the Wi-Fi policy for the unknown location and assigned it to the devices as well. We're now ready to publish our location policy and 2 Wi-Fi policies. Now let's take a look at the Wi-Fi policy enforcement on a device. We refresh the device to ensure that it has the location assignment policy and 2 Wi-Fi policies. As soon as the policies are applied, the security location changes to Office because it has detected that this device is in the office. If we look at the wireless network options, we see that only the microfocus network is available. When the device switches to an unknown location, all detected wireless networks are available. Note that on the Securing Devices page, there are Create and Assign links for other security policies as well. You can use these links to create and assign other policies in the same fashion as we demonstrated for location assignment and Wi-Fi. The purpose of this video precludes reviewing all the capabilities of these policies. However, descriptions of these capabilities are provided in the information pop-ups for each policy, as well as a Learn More link that provides even more depth. In this video, we've demonstrated how to begin securing your Windows devices using direct links from a single Getting Started page called Securing Devices. This included creating a location assignment policy, and assigning locations to security policies and security policies to devices or users. We've also demonstrated how to configure the security override password. For more information about using ZENworks security products, watch the other Getting Started videos or see the ZENworks documentation page. Thanks for watching.